Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Have you ever felt stressed, angry, or anxious? Here are the 7 deep breathing exercises that reduce stress, anger, and anxiety, help the body relax. You're not alone, and you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to explore the world of deep breathing exercises. These are simple yet powerful techniques that can help you manage those moments of stress, anger, and anxiety. But that's not all. Deep breathing exercises can also promote relaxation and enhance your overall well-being. You see, when you engage in deep breathing, you're sending a message to your brain to calm down and relax. This, in turn, helps to lower your heart rate and blood pressure, making you feel more peaceful and less stressed. And the best part is that these exercises can be done anytime, anywhere. So, whether you're a seasoned yogi or a curious beginner, these techniques can be a great addition to your daily routine. Stay tuned as we delve into 7 deep breathing exercises that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Rechak Kriya. First on our list is Rechak Kriya, also known as the prolonged exhalation technique. This technique finds its roots in Sanskrit, where Rechak translates to exhalation or releasing breath. The practice of Rechak Kriya revolves around conscious, controlled exhalation. Unlike our normal breathing pattern, where exhalation is often overlooked, Rechak Kriya places emphasis on this vital part of the breathing cycle. Imagine sitting in a calm and serene environment, your spine erect and your mind focused. As you breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with fresh oxygen, you prepare for a long, slow, and controlled exhale. This exhalation is not just a mere release of breath, but a mindful process where you visualize all the stress, anxiety, and negative energy leaving your body with each breath you let out. The beauty of Rechak Kriya lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. By consciously controlling your exhalation, you are guiding your body towards a state of relaxation and tranquility. Furthermore, this prolonged exhalation process aids in detoxification. It allows your body to expel more carbon dioxide, along with other toxins, promoting overall health and well-being. This deep breathing technique serves as a bridge connecting your body, breath, and mind. It's a journey of self-discovery where you learn to harness the power of your breath, using it as a tool to combat stress and anxiety. By practicing Rechak Kriya, you can promote relaxation and detoxification in your body. So take a deep breath, exhale slowly, and embark on this journey towards a more peaceful and healthier you. Kapalbhati. Next, we have Kapalbhati, or the skull shining breath. Kapalbhati is a Sanskrit term where kapal signifies the skull and bhati means shining or illuminating. This technique is commonly translated as skull shining breath or frontal brain cleansing technique. The essence of Kapalbhati lies in forceful exhalation, followed by passive inhalation. This deep breathing exercise is characterized by its dynamic rhythm and emphasis on expelling air from the lungs through robust abdominal contractions. The benefits of Kapalbhati extend beyond mere physical wellness. This dynamic breathing technique increases the oxygen supply to the brain, thereby enhancing mental clarity and stimulating cognitive functions. The vigorous exhalations in Kapalbhati aid in removing toxins and stale air from the lungs, promoting overall respiratory health. So, as you practice Kapalbhati, imagine each forceful breath out as a step towards detoxification, and each passive breath in as an opportunity to invite clarity and fresh energy. Kapalbhati not only increases your oxygen supply, but also cleanses your frontal brain. Nadi Shodhana Pranayam. Our third technique is Nadi Shodhana Pranayam, the alternate nostril breathing. This breathing practice originates from the ancient Indian tradition of yoga, where Nadi translates to energy channel and Shodhana means purification or cleansing. So, put together, Nadi Shodhana Pranayam essentially refers to the purification of the energy channels. This technique involves alternating the breath between the left and right nostrils. The practice uses specific hand gestures known as mudras to regulate the airflow. The process begins with a deep breath in through one nostril while closing off the other, holding the breath for a moment, and then exhaling through the opposite nostril. This cycle is then repeated, beginning with an inhalation through the nostril that was just used for exhalation. The benefits of Nadi Shodhana Pranayam are manifold. It helps balance the flow of energy channels in the body, thereby creating a sense of harmony and equilibrium. This technique can be particularly useful for those with busy, hectic lifestyles, as it encourages a slower, more mindful pace of breathing. Regular practice of Nadi Shodhana Pranayam can promote mental clarity, relieve stress, and enhance overall well-being. Remember, it's not just about the physical act of breathing, it's about the energy you're taking in and releasing. It's about the calmness and focus you're cultivating. So, the next time you're feeling overwhelmed or out of balance, take a moment to practice Nadi Shodhana Pranayam. With Nadi Shodhana Pranayam, you can promote harmony and balance within yourself. Triband Pranayam. Moving on, we have the Triband Pranayam, or the three-part breath. This technique calls for the engagement of three main locks or energy seals within the body, known as bandhas. These bandhas grant stability, breath control, and a deeper connection between mind and body. First, we have the Mulabandha, or root lock. This involves contracting the muscles of the pelvic floor. Imagine lifting and drawing in the perineum, which is the area between the anus and the genitals. The engagement of these muscles forms the root of our energy system. Next, we have the Uddiyana Bandha, or abdominal lock. This requires the engagement of the abdominal muscles, especially the transverse abdominis, to draw the abdominal cavity upward and inward toward the spine. This lock helps to control the breath and direct energy flow in the body. Lastly, we have the Jalandhara Bandha, or throat lock. This involves tucking the chin down toward the chest, creating a subtle compression at the throat and engaging the muscles of the neck. This lock helps to regulate the flow of energy to our brain and calms the mind. Engaging these three locks simultaneously while maintaining a steady, mindful breath is the essence of Triband Pranayam. This practice can be transformative, offering not just physical benefits, but also mental and emotional balance. Triband Pranayam not only regulates the flow of prana, but also enhances breath control, improves core strength, and builds awareness. Bhastrika Pranayam. Next, we introduce Bhastrika Pranayam, also known as the bellows breath. Bhastrika in Sanskrit translates to bellows, a device that forcefully pumps air. In this dynamic breathing technique, we mimic this pumping action, but with our breath. The process involves rapid and forceful inhalations and exhalations, almost as if you're inflating and deflating a balloon in quick succession. As you engage in this practice, you might notice an immediate surge of energy, mirroring the revitalizing effect of a blacksmith's bellows on a fire. Bhastrika Pranayam is not just about vigor and vitality, it's also about health and clarity. It is a wonderful practice for improving lung capacity, making it an ideal exercise for those with respiratory conditions or athletes looking to improve their endurance. Moreover, it clears nasal passages, providing relief from congestion. It also boosts digestion, helps to relieve mental fatigue, and fosters a sense of invigoration. Practicing Bhastrika Pranayam can increase your vitality, improve lung capacity, and clear nasal passages. Agnisar Kriya. The sixth technique is Agnisar Kriya, or the fire cleansing technique. Agnisar Kriya is a unique yoga practice that directly stimulates your digestive fire, or Agni. This technique is named after two Sanskrit words, Agni, meaning fire, and Sar, meaning essence or core. When combined, they signify the essence of fire, symbolizing the transformative power of digestion. To perform Agnisar Kriya, one focuses on the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the abdominal muscles. This movement, akin to the ebb and flow of ocean waves, creates a massage-like effect for your internal organs. It stimulates the digestive system, encouraging an efficient and healthy metabolism. The benefits of Agnisar Kriya extend beyond just digestion. It is also known to strengthen the abdominal muscles and improve the function of the adrenal glands. This technique can help maintain hormonal balance, enhance vitality, and even contribute to weight management. Furthermore, Agnisar Kriya is a powerful tool for stress management. By focusing on the abdominal contractions and syncing them with the rhythm of your breath, the practice encourages mindfulness and presence. This can lead to a reduction in stress and anxiety, creating a sense of calm and balance. Remember, like all yoga practices, Agnisar Kriya is not about perfection. It's about understanding your body's capabilities and respecting its limitations. With consistent practice, you'll find yourself improving and reaping the benefits of this powerful technique. Agnisar Kriya activates your digestive system and enhances metabolism. Surya Bedana and Chandra Bedana. Finally, we have Surya Bedana and Chandra Bedana. These techniques harness the power of breath through specific nostrils to harmonize solar and lunar energies. Surya Bedana, or right nostril breathing, kindles our inner sun, energizing the body and sharpening mental focus. Chandra Bedana, on the other hand, is left nostril breathing, which cools and soothes, fostering relaxation and inner peace. To practice Surya Bedana, you close your left nostril and take a deep breath through your right nostril, Then close your right nostril and exhale through your left. For Chandra Badana, it's the opposite. You inhale through the left nostril and exhale through the right. These techniques are more than just breathing exercises. They're a way of balancing our internal energies, tapping into the dynamism of the sun and the tranquility of the moon. With Surya Bedana and Chandra Bedana, you can balance your energies, enhance mental focus, and induce relaxation. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.